grow high and the leaves they do grow green. Many's the time my true love I've seen. Many an hour I watched him all alone. He's young but he's daily growing. Father, dear Father, you've done me great wrong. You have married me to a boy who is too young. I am twice 12 and he is but 14. He's young but he's daily growing.
Daughter, dear daughter, I've done you no wrong. I have married you to a great Lord's son, and he will be a man for you when I am dead and gone. He's young but he's daily growing.
Father, dear Father, if you see fit, we'll send him to college for another year yet. We'll tie a blue ribbon all around his head to let the maidens know that he's married. One day I was looking o'er my father's castle wall, espied all the boys playing with a ball, and my own true love, he was the flower of them all. He's young but he's daily growing.
And so early in the morning, at the dawning of the day, they went into the hayfield for to have some sport and play. And what they did there, well, she never would declare, but she never more complained of his growing.
At the age of 14 he was a married man. At the age of 15 the father of my son. At the age of 16 his grave it was green, and that the put an end to his growing. I'll buy my love some flannel, I'll make my love a shroud, and every stitch I put in it, the tears they'll pour down. And every stitch I put in it, how the tears they will flow. Cruel fate has put an end to his growing.